Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella and today we got another lenses unboxing, which is going to be Coleyes for today. If you want to see these brown eyes just turn into different shades, keep watching. So as I told you guys, today's company is called Coleyes and they came in this beautiful packaging. Of course, I got a discount code for you. It's Stella20 for 20% off, or Stella just by itself for 2 pairs and 2 pairs for free. Yeah, let's hop into it. Say hi. How's there? So let's get this started. I hope this light helps us. The box itself looks very elegant and it got a little due to transport. It has some holographic logo and it says eye color should not be defined. All eyes. So opening the box, you got these 4 pairs and a pair of tools, you know, tweezers and the little section thing, and a hair clip. I've already borrowed my sister's beautiful head thing, so I'm not sure if I should wear it together. I got my email right here with all the colors I chose because I got to choose all 4 colors. Let's get started with the pink one. Best way to open these boxes, especially if you got nails, shout out to my nail tech, which is me, and you can find more information in my channel. I'll leave a link over here. What was this saying? Best way to open these, especially if you have nails, you just put the back up some tweezers, boop, boop, and it's open. I will be using the tools, of course, because why not? This is such a cute little packaging, you guys. And, oh, let me see. It comes with a fully silicone suction cap and some tweezers. All right, I see a nice white case. It is transparent on the back. It also says right and left. Of course you can feel it, so if you can't really see, not sure how you're gonna pull this through, but yeah, this is what they look like. That should be crystal blue right here. It must be such a nice baby blue, so I'm really excited. Before I start trying them on, let me get a little closer and show you that my eyes are completely brown. I should probably have some kind of light. Wait. All right, that's probably working. So I'm sorry about the ring light reflection and all that, but my eyes are completely brown, dark. And let's see what this baby blue looks like. Wow. Baby blue it is. Okay, they're both in and they look marvelous. It looks like a very natural shade and it blends with my irises so effortlessly. I really like it. Let me tell you that all these are yearly lenses. And of course, before you put lenses on, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure the lens is looking the right way. It's not turned inside out. And yeah, they're beautiful. Let me give you a close-up. And let's go to the next one. This one is called No Makeup Friday and it's in color brown. It's a very nice ashy brown and it has a limbo ring. If you have a small iris like I do, you would love a limbo ring. It just does the trick. This is what the box and the lenses look like. This is the one. And that's the other one. I have so many lights nearby that I hope you guys can see things clearly because I can't. But yeah, this is what this looks like. Very earthly colors. So let me come closer. That's very pretty in my opinion. You can say that it's pretty natural too. So yeah. Next box. These are looking like this. The color is called Aegean Sea, and I'm a girl from the Mediterranean, so I have a deep love for these colors. They just excite me very much. Let's try this. Oh god, I see myself in the mirror and my eyes just got huge. I'm not sure if I'm making the colors right. This is very more subtle than what I expected it to be. Oh, okay, now I get it. So this is what it looks like on the model. It's supposed to be Aegean Sea, but gray. So yeah, they're great. That's why they're not like super. Anyways, so these are very, very like natural. You can just pull it off anytime. I really love that they enlarge my eyes, and this is a close-up. Okay, next and last one. The last one is supposed to be a really vibrant green, and it's called Green Sin? Sin Green. And it's supposed to be looking like this. So let's see. The lens is looking like this. And let's get this into my eyes because I feel like I'm gonna fall in love with it. Also, ever since I got long nails like on the regular, it's just so easy to put lenses on. I kid you not. Okay. Hello. Well, if you dropped your lens, don't freak out. Just put a lot of your solution. Probably let it soak, but I know you guys will probably not let it soak. So just make sure you rub it a little bit and you just clean it as well as you can. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. It worked. This is called Green Sin, and it is so pretty. I don't see a big limbo ring here, but I'm pretty sure it has something happening. This is it up close. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I was really impressed by the quality and the color range of this company because it is a smaller company, but you should probably give it a chance. I've tried it, it works. I got a discount code for you. It is Stella20 for 20% off all across the site, and Stella for 2 buy 2 get 2 for free. So if you like the colors or anything else on the site, don't hesitate to use that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Lots and lots of love and kisses, and stay safe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah. I'll give this to my little sister. This, because that's hers too.